Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Iman Bhatt, the enthusiastic founder of Maid Link. I am thrilled to announce our national expansion plan at National Incubation Center. Maid Link is a revolutionary platform that connects busy individuals like you with reliable, trusted, and skilled domestic helpers. We understand the importance of security and efficiency. That's why all our maids undergo rigorous background checks and verified reviews. Hiring a domestic helper has never been easier. My journey with Business Incubation Center has been nothing short of transformative. From the moment I joined, I have been surrounded by inspiring entrepreneurs and mentors who believed in my vision. Through BIC, I have had the opportunity to acquire invaluable skills in marketing, finance, and leadership, which has been instrumental in shaping Maid Link's success. Join us on this exciting journey. Visit our website and sign up for exclusive updates. Thank you.